When the air and fuel in the cylinder combustion chamber pass through the piston rings and enter the crankcase ventilation, it is known as an engine blow-by. This issue is often caused by worn piston rings, worn pistons, or a damaged cylinder wall. Why does blow-by occur in a car engine? 1. Pistons are generally constructed of aluminum, which is a soft metal. When it wears out, it creates grooves in the piston and deposits on the cylinder walls. The fuel-air mixture quickly enters the crankcase and causes engine blow-by. 2. The piston rings are constantly pushed back and forth in the cylinder wall, and they wear out and are damaged over time. This generates gas leakage, which causes a blow-by. The job of crankcase ventilation is to recycle blow-by back into the intake. If the crankcase ventilation hoses are clogged, when you open the oil cap, it will push it out, giving the impression that your engine has a lot of blow-by. What are the symptoms of an engine blow-by? 1. Blue smoke from exhaust. A blue cloud of smoke coming from your vehicle's exhaust pipe could indicate that the engine has blown up. 2. Engine oil in coolant. If you discover engine oil in the coolant or coolant in the engine oil, this could signify a fatal internal condition that must be addressed immediately. 3. Engine rattling or knocking. If you hear internal engine noises while the engine is running, this is a red flag that something has gone horribly wrong. 4. White exhaust fumes. Another sign of a blow-by is the release of white gases from your vehicle's tailpipe. White emissions indicate that water or engine coolant is possibly entering the combustion chamber. 5. Failure of the engine. If an engine fails to start, a blown engine could be the cause, requiring an engine blow-by repair to get the car running again. How do you fix an engine blow-by? 1. Ensure a clean crankcase ventilation. The first step is to ensure that your crankcase ventilation system is free of sludge and grime. 2. Oil treatment. Sometimes the piston rings become jammed and will not seal against the cylinder walls. If you're lucky, pouring some diesel into the cylinders and letting them sit for a day or two will remedy the problem. 3. Replace the engine block or remanufacture the cylinders. If your cylinder walls have scratches and wear, you may need to resurface them or bore larger cylinders with larger pistons. The alternative is to replace the engine block. 4. Replace piston rings. To replace the piston rings, you must first remove the pistons from the engine block, which is a major repair. You can do a leak-down test to ensure that the piston rings or pistons are the source of the problem. 5. Replace pistons. You should also inspect the pistons while replacing the piston rings. If you see any damage to the pistons, you may need to repair them as well. That's all for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.